Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I went on a trip to Japan and I took a ton of photos there. I used my main camera, which was the Sony ZV-E10, and I actually used my phone, which is the iPhone 14 Pro. And recently I've been getting a lot of questions and people asking me, how did I take these photos? What settings did you use? What camera did you use? Things like that. So this video is just basically going to be about the iPhone 14 Pro, what settings I had to actually take those photos, and that's it. So let's get into the video. So literally go into your settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to the camera bit. Click on that. Once you've got to the camera bit, you just need to make sure that you go into formats, and then once you're in formats, make sure your camera capture is most compatible, and then make sure that you choose Apple ProRAW, switch that on, and then the ProRAW resolution, you want to set that to 48 megapixel, just like that, and then make sure that you've got Apple ProRes on as well. So this will give you the opportunity to actually choose them raw settings when you're actually in the camera app. And then after that, make sure that you've actually clicked on the grid button as well, so that you can use the rule of thirds when you're taking pictures. Makes it easier. And that's basically it. Those are the settings that I've been using to actually take my photos on my phone, and that's it. So yeah, there you go guys, that's literally the settings that I've used on my phone to take all my photos recently on my trip to Japan. I hope you liked this video. If you did, drop a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what you need to do. It's completely free to subscribe. There'll be more videos coming out on settings for my Sony ZV-E10, because there's a lot of people that have been asking about that as well. So there'll be that coming, and hopefully you guys enjoy the next batch of videos coming through. But if you've got any questions or anything like that, just drop it in the comments down below and I'll definitely reply back to you guys. Other than that, take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.